How to fix payment error on eBay app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix payment error on eBay app. So if you want to fix the payment error on the eBay app, you could follow these steps. Now first of all, to fix payment error on the eBay app, you could double check your payment details. So ensure your billing address matches your payment method and try using a different payment method or devices. That you could also go ahead and try updating your application. Sometimes updating your application fixes temporary glitches. So go to Play Store and on the search box type in eBay. And when you go to eBay, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After the application is completely updated, if you're still facing such issue, then you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go to the eBay and then long press the eBay application, and once again click on app info or the I button, go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data. Only if you're sure about it, then continue the procedure. After which, try login and see whether the issue has been solved or not. If the issue persists on, you could go and click on force stop and then uninstall the application, restart your device, once again reinstall the application, log into your account, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, in some cases it might not be the application, it should be your issue with the payment or the billing address. So what you could do is log into your eBay account and then you could go to settings or you could go to my eBay and then you could go ahead and make changes with your payment details. So when you go to your profile, you could go ahead and make changes with your payment details, so such as changing your credit card information or providing a different credit card information, all of that, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix payment error on the eBay app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.